Samantha, a registered dietitian with Henry Ford Macomb Hospital. The vegetable of the week this week is cabbage. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin C. When picking out cabbage, choose firm cabbage heads that feel heavy and are tightly packed. You can store whole or chopped cabbage in a sealed plastic bag in your refrigerator, using within 1 week. Before using your cabbage, you want to rinse the cabbage thoroughly and remove any outer layers that might be a little bit tough. There is so much that you can do with cabbage. You can eat it fresh, sauteed, stir-fried, grilled, roasted, steamed, baked, or even broiled. Today we're making a dish called Rainbow Coleslaw. To make the Rainbow Coleslaw, you need 2 cups of thinly sliced red cabbage and green cabbage, 2 cups of each, a ½ cup of chopped yellow or red bell pepper, a ½ cup of shredded carrots, a ½ cup of chopped red onion, a ½ cup of cheese of your choice. I used cheddar and ours today. Then for the dressing, you need some mayonnaise, about a ½ cup of fat-free mayonnaise, a ¼ teaspoon of celery seed, which is optional, and about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. So to make the coleslaw, I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to add in my red cabbage and my green cabbage. I'm then going to add my carrots and my bell pepper, my chopped onion, and then my cheddar cheese. And then to make the dressing, you're going to take the mayonnaise and you're going to add the red wine vinegar to it and the celery seed and give it a mix. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. So now that that's all mixed up, I'm going to take this dressing and I'm going to add it to my coleslaw mixture. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to give it a stir. Okay. It doesn't seem like a lot of dressing, but once you add it in here, it does coat the entire salad. Okay. So once it's all mixed together, you can serve it immediately, or you can put it in your fridge until it's chilled or cooled. That's what I like to do, is put it in my fridge for a couple of hours, and you have a rainbow coleslaw. So this is really good to eat by itself. It's also great to top with fish tacos or maybe on a burger. So enjoy. Thank you so much for listening to the Vegetable of the Week, all for you from Henry Ford Macomb Hospital.